before you can make your dreams come true, you need to do a thorough mental cleaning. Pay attention to the fear that might be blocking your desires.
Hello everyone. Emotional Tidying Upの
Hi,
Kozue
this
で
is
す。
Kozue from Emotional Tidying Up. In America, people often do a major cleaning in the spring, but in Japan, we do our major cleaning at the end of the year. It's a way to clear out the old and start the new year fresh. Today, I'd like to share with you a practice that will help you achieve your dreams by cleaning your mind as you prepare to welcome the new year. I want to talk about the ultimate method for achieving your dreams in the shortest time possible. Many people already know that achieving your dreams is less about changing your actions and more about repeatedly imprinting your subconscious and shifting your state of mind. But even if you know this, have you ever experienced moments where, no matter how many affirmations you repeat, how much you motivate yourself, or how hard you work, your heartfelt wishes still don't come true? I've been there too. I had a dream to do what I truly love, to use my talents and energy to their fullest, to support someone's happiness, and to earn an income doing it. But in reality, despite imagining it, repeating affirmations, working to boost my motivation, and taking action, nothing seemed to change.
アファメーションをする前
In
に
fact, there was a time when I was barely getting by, struggling just to meet daily needs with no time or money left to pursue my dreams. What I learned is this: before you can make your dreams come true, you need to do a thorough mental cleaning. Why is this so important? Because if emotions are stuck in your mind like garbage, no matter how many dreams or affirmations you try to imprint, they won't reach the fountain of potential within your subconscious. In other words, if our original, shiny soul is clouded, we can't fully express or demonstrate our true talents.
ということなんですね。
When you clean your home, you start by removing the trash or things you no longer need. Then you wipe away the dirt from the bathroom, floors, walls, and windows, right? The same process applies to your mind. To create space to truly input your dreams and desires, you first need to clean up your inner world. For those of you who are determined to make your dreams a reality next year, I'd like to share a special mental cleaning method with you.
それは
The key is to release the emotion of fear. At the root of the emotions that prevent us from achieving our desires lies fear. Why fear? Because when we try to change who we are, our minds are naturally wired to feel fear. So let's take a moment to focus inward. Pay attention to the fear that might be blocking your desires. What kind of fear is it? It might be fear of being noticed, fear of being criticized, fear of being abandoned, fear of being alone. Or maybe it's something else entirely. It could even be fear of being loved, or fear of being happy. What kind of fear is stopping your desires? Fear isn't inherently bad, it's a part of us. Now, let me guide you through a process to release this fear. Let's do it together. Start by connecting with your inner self. Take a deep, slow breath and allow yourself to feel the fear that is blocking your dreams. Don't ignore or fight the fear. Instead of pretending it isn't there or tossing it away, simply hold space for it. Imagine gently placing this fear into your hands. Observe the fear. Ask yourself, what color is this fear? What shape does it take? What words does this fear believe in? Acknowledge the fear. Say to it, I accept you. Smile gently at the fear and direct kindness towards it. Show love to the fear. Say to it, I love you. You can say this quietly in your mind or out loud if you feel comfortable. Embrace the fear. Imagine holding this fear in a warm, compassionate embrace. Release the fear. Finally, say, I release you. Let the fear go. And trust in the greater power of the universe to handle the rest. As you let go of this fear, you may feel a sense of lightness or refreshment in your body. If you don't feel it right away, that's okay. Repeat this process as many times as needed until you feel a shift. By doing this mental cleaning, you'll create a sparkling state of mind that allows your desires to be deeply imprinted into your subconscious. May your heart be healed and your inner light shine brightly.
皆さんの
Let's welcome the new year with clarity, peace, and the renewed ability to pursue our dreams. This was Kozue from Emotional Tidying Up. See you next time.